yourself and each other when you watch back this video in 5 to 10 years from now?
I want to say to you that getting married is the easiest part. We have to understand that hard times will come, but we're going to be able to overcome any obstacle that is put in front of us, as long as we continue loving each other, respecting each other, believing in each other, and pushing each other. And once we get past those hurdles of difficult moments, there's always the rainbow on the other side. We'll be able to look back at that and maybe laugh at it, reminiscing on it, and just realize that it wasn't that difficult because we got through it. The world is literally ours for the taking.
What I would want to say to you in 5 to 10 years is to not forget these small moments, like practicing like our first dance in the living room. But yeah, it's just to not forget that like all the sweet moments that led up to it. Not limit that to like just planning a wedding. Because you're right, it's the easiest part. I'm not going to be surprised 10 years when we watch this, because I know exactly where we'll be in 10 years.
Here we are on earth together, it's you and I. God has made us fall in love, it's true. I've really found someone like you. Will it say the love you feel for me? Will it say that you will be by my side to see me through until my life is through? We can conquer the world in love, you and I, you and I, you and I. I am glad, at least in my life, I found someone that may not be here forever to see me through, but I found my strength in you. 'Cause in my mind you will stay here always, in love, you and I, you and I, you and I.